Our Lady of Kaysasay Sanctuary, restored to its beauty. Truly restored to its original beauty. Simbahan noon ay walang mga kisame. Our Lady of Kaysasay, Taal, Batangas. Ang original na fasad ng Our Lady of Kaysasay Archdiocesan Shrine. Napakagandang national treasure. Ang restoration at maintenance ay under the National Historical Commission. Indeed, truly beautiful.